Danger, danger, ingozi. Danger, danger, yo. The flow that I spit is too blunt, it can't be rolled up. Gave my whole heart to the game, oh yes, I'm a donor. It's lonely at the top, yes I swear I'm a loner. I was broke as shit, I made it through the flood, I feel like Noah.
I am inevitable. Work is done. Always will be.
YouTube is your favorite. It's your favorite, and I'm back. I'm sorry I haven't been posting, you know what I'm saying? I've been busy, but I've been dealing with something. But I'm back with another one. You know, I'm gonna stay consistent, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make up for the days I didn't post, you know what I'm saying? I missed you all, and I know you guys missed me, you know what I'm saying? I'm back with another one, you know what I'm saying? So please to check me out on all your social platforms, YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. You know, they're gonna pop up right here, and in the link description in the bio, whatever it's called. So today we're gonna be reacting to Mr. Kwababa Tester being tested on a blind date. You know what I'm saying? We are reacting to Tladi today. You know, but let's get into it.
Again, go blindfold date. I'm here with no one, and I'm here with no one. So what about your boy? Because you can't even see my future. Mr. Sponga spin the chogos. Zamakna chogos. I'm going to go pin the chogos about. But still, that's a pan. So mate. Okay. And I believe it's a W, guys. So hi Tali.
Hello.
Unjan.
Kishapa naza.
Nah. Hi, brother.
I'm a boy, what's up? I can't believe I'm doing this, yo.
Okay.
Aish.
It's new, ne?
Aish.
Okay. So, Tala, how do you feel about the voice yake?
Imnati. Ishapu.
Nati.
Yeah. It's the one.
Okay, how do you feel about the voice yake?
Yeah, I didn't hear it properly. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Say hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
Oh.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, man.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, so, Tali, ufuna umuntu onjani?
Ngifuna umuntu onjani?
Yeah.
Abe dark. Cause I'm a yellow bone.
Yeah.
I don't go for looks, but I be neat.
Okay, financially.
You see, we need hands like this. Don't go for looks, my guy. I mean, my sister. Don't go for looks. Also, you guys, Majida, we don't need niggas who go for looks. Don't go for looks because I'm telling you, boy.
Guys, I can say I believe even if Anna child like he's broke.
You can date him. Without chelete.
We need hands like this, boy. Especially in the Eastern Cape. We need hands like this, even in Jersey. Because currently, I'm in the Eastern Cape because I live in the Eastern Cape, you know what I'm saying? We need hands like this, boy. And gents, we need gents like this for our sisters, you know? But yeah.
Hey.
It's okay. If ever would do okay, now question for if ever would do ne, utlofitla jwang ko yena sana chelete.
Oh, na maybe na leona. I'll make a plan.
Okay. I understand. So, if ever ne, let me make an example, sharp. You're dating that guy and you don't have money for Bolt. Would you take a taxi?
Yeah, for my men.
So, brother, what's your type?
My type, I wouldn't say I don't have a physical appearance. I don't think I have a type. I just like what I see. But I like a girl that's supportive. I like a girl that's that faga's effort. You see what she's just said right now, good see. She's willing to if they say I don't have money in Donna, she's willing to come, she's willing to put in the effort, I understand. She's willing to do.
So I have a question for you, ne? In a relationship, you want like 50-50 or who is also supplier?
Yeah, even the girl, right? Okay, let me just say, yeah, 50-50, yeah, 50-50, yeah.
Okay, if ever like okay, like a grand financially, would you date
I'd
her?
understand, yeah, for sure. I'll even help with to
Every
make
time
money.
go Klezo keep him money.
No,
you go for that?
no. I'll help her to make money.
Okay.
Yeah. Cause I'm a supportive boyfriend. A girl gotta have goals, so I'll make sure I support those goals. I support her craft. You understand?
What if I brought you a nyaupe girl?
No, try.
So angeke nayo khona ukumgroma.
That's a red flag. A hand that smokes is a red flag for me. A hand that smokes is a red flag for real, boy. Just know, if you smoke and you want me, futek. Sorry for the language, but still, yo, it's chai.
Good night, imali or something.
Yeah, try, boy.
Okay, so what's your likes in a relationship?
My likes, a girl that's willing to meet me halfway. Mang paizisegi she should be there. You understand?
Yeah.
My likes, as I said, supportive, because I'm a content creator. I would like to have my hand as my camera woman. You understand?
So like you know, you're always going outing and stuff. Ne?
I'd like to go with her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Imagine uhlangana nama-fans akho there.
What?
Shak. Sikwente engibhayize ngayo la kule khathi.
Yeah, pause, David.
Nah, just carry on. Don't worry. Just carry on. Stop.
Okay.
Like
So ne like wena njengomuntu ohlezi unama
okay, qalisel.
So yeah, like angithi uthi wena you would like to go nomuntu wakho
Yeah.
everywhere you go ne.
Yeah.
So njengomuntu onama fans ngithanda.
Yeah.
Okay uzofila kanjani ama-fans akho mawatouch around wena?
She should understand, Fana, it's something I cannot change. You understand?
Did you hear that respond?
Like touch
Could
me
you
how?
understand?
I
Touch me
never.
how?
Like obvious physical touch and stuff.
Nah, don't not.
When they happy, you know,
Like they come and hug me. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's okay, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's okay. As long as I'm touchy, they don't touch my balls. No, like for real. As long as they don't touch my balls.
So is it fine with them touch and stuff?
Yeah, wish I put but imagine kita malena but someone say bam emisa bam haga guys no.
Never khona wena.
Ay,
Aw khona hali.
how khona ha.
Ngiyawuthla wena dali man. So what?
For me, boy, if my hand is an entrepreneur, then you all be touchy. I will kona hali shem. Unako ona, I will kona hali shem. I will kona hali.
What's your likes in a relationship?
I'm so supportive as actually I'm talking a caring person.
So motho caring umbona jwang?
It's like the bro in the middle is cooking, cause the way he's close.
Man. So what's your likes?
Hey, what's going on, boy? Oh, now what's going on out here? Hey.
In a relationship?
I'm so supportive as actually I'm talking a caring person.
So motho caring umbona jwang?
Unsupported by all means. Like,
By the way, I'm not Sutu, I'm Xhosa. Cause sometimes I be speaking Sutu. It's just I speak, but I don't understand what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? So me, I just be saying stuff out of the blue, you know? Cause I'm wearing blue. That's it. But if they don't get it, they are not hot like us. Okay, you know? I'm Xhosa, by the way.
eh,
I'm Xhosa, brand. I'm Xhosa from Xhosa. I'm Xhosa. You know? I'm Xhosa. Sick.
yeah. I
How support jwang financially?
My
no.
brother.
What do you do?
Sorry.
It's
When are
cozy.
you leaving, my brother?
Oh. Send your feeling ngaleyo ndlela.
No, I wanna talk to her because you've been here.
Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes of talking. Relax. So my sister, what's your dislikes in a relationship?
Ay, grate mtho sang nageng. Mtho nagang maybe di chumsa high over na. No,
Yeah.
I don't want that.
I don't
Yeah.
wanna hide.
So would you go for a busy man?
Yeah, as long I it's an aquafana. Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
Yo, she's Sutu.
Yeah.
I'm finna shout out, boy. I'm also Sutu.
Okay, I have a question for you, ne?
Understand me.
What's your dislikes in a relationship?
My dislikes.
Yeah, mention Mama 6. Who you go for a groovist?
I'm also a groovist. One thing you should understand about I'm a groovist, so I wouldn't say I wouldn't want a girl that's a groovist. I date a groovist. I like to go with my hands to a club, to a party. You understand?
For me, when I'm 18 and above, because currently I'm not 18. Wait, that's very confidential. But anyways, yeah, bruh. I wouldn't go for a girl that drinks alcohol, boy, or smokes. For me, that's a red flag. Alcohol and smoking, it's a red flag for me, boy. Also, I wouldn't drink. I don't wanna drink alcohol. I don't wanna smoke. Alcohol and smoking is bad for your health. Ngandeka, stop smoking. I know you, behind this phone. It's you or tablet or laptop or TV, whatever. Audience, one of you is a smokist, and please stop. Stop. You're gonna die. God forbid, you're gonna die. Smoking is bad for you. Very bad. Yeah, we are live. Mamel. Undumbi.
And yeah, I mean, bro, I'm not a person that's really like insecure. Understand?
Yes,
Yeah.
So, apela lapho ama dislikes akho.
Yeah. Nah, yeah.
Voice baba lapho ngaphandle. Ndoda ivoice yakho.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I think mina nginika nje space nyana nithi ucoca nyana yabo. Khona ukuzwela yena ukuthi umuntu onjani ufunani kanjani ne.
Yeah.
Ngakushiya tali.
Yeah.
Anazi usmile uhlizo smilile yo. Bamba bafo. I trust you.
Guys, this is something I've never done before, and I never thought I would do it. You understand? Ash. Oh, wait. Yeah, something smells good here. Something smells good. Is it you?
Obvious.
Obvious.
Come on.
Anyway, what's your name?
Can I lead you in?
Oh, Naledi. What does Naledi mean, Kana?
Star. Kista.
I'm not surprised, but I don't see you. I don't see you, but I feel like you're really a star. You understand? My name is Tladi. Do you know what does Tladi mean? Tladi means lightning. You know what does it say about me? I strike. What does the lightning do?
How?
A lightning strikes, right?
The W is. Nah, that's W is you using your name. W.
So everything that I want, I go for it and I get it. I understand. So where you from?
Come lap.
Oh, you from around Soweto?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I'm from around. You understand? So, Mamela, I have a question for you, nah. Okay, I didn't hear what that guy said, nah. But what I wanted to know, like, what's something you like about? Okay, what are you looking for a guy?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I want to know is like, what are you looking forward to? You understand? Like in a guy, what type of guy are you looking for? You understand?
A loving guy, supportive guy, a caring guy.
Oh, are you supportive?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's the most supportive thing you've ever done for a guy?
I won't say.
You've never been in a serious relationship? So hey, this one is a play. Yeah, this one.
Ah, guys, no.
Hey.
I keep
So when Natali laba banye bebadlala.
Okay, Ishmael, can you please give us space, my brother? My brother, relax. Cozy. You said Naledi, ne? So Naledi, like, kind of what did I ask? Okay, so right now, when was your last relationship, kan?
Yo. Maybe can album 3 months.
3 months? But 3 months is short, guys. What happened?
Yo.
What happened?
Long story.
Huh?
Long story.
Long story?
Yeah, and I won't make it short.
I have the whole day, bro.
No,
I like the way you laugh. Like, I like your voice. That means if we could go.
Remember what they say. If you can make a laugh and giggle, you can make that ass clap and jiggle. That's a bar. But still, a wise man by the name of Duke Dennis said, you can make a laugh, you can make a giggle, you can make a smile. But that lady ain't your lady, my guy. The girl is not your girl. It's ours. It's ours. Go away to Sonky, bruh. Go away to Sonky. It's not yours only. It's ours. All of us. Remember that.
To the bedroom, it actually sound nice. Like I can actually imagine you moaning. She's blushing for reals. I wish I could see that smile, but I feel like it's amazing. I'm not sure. Huh? I like that. Did you say?
Yeah.
Okay. So, nah, lady. Okay, from now on, I'm gonna call you Star, right? So, Star, tell me now, what do you do on your like spare time? Like, what do you like to do besides sleeping? That's a cool thing, though.
Yeah, very.
Okay. Besides sleeping, what do you like to do?
I go out.
You like to go out. So you're groovist. So are you the type of girl that gibelas the tafolas? Eh? Nix. 100%.
Okay, yeah. But not always. If I'm enjoying the vibe, obviously yes. But
So
not always.
So you groove every weekend? When was the last time you went to groove?
Yesterday.
Guys, my
day
man, I'm
before.
looking for love. So
before.
day before. Oh, ish. We're not gonna you give people the pangano.
Yeah, what do you mean by that?
Hey. So you don't get shella dead groove and then.
How no, okay.
So okay, tell me. So right now, if I would wanna go with you at groove, would you like?
Yes.
For us?
Yeah.
Okay, I'd go down for that.
It's a
It's my nigga, yo. Dog, I'm still getting to know her, bro.
So guys, this cat don't even know what's in Sazo. You know. No, my sister. Klaus Pinyet and
That was very short.
sorry, Baba.
That was very short, bro. Like, guys, I'm looking for.
What if
love.
she's not interested?
If she's not interested, it's fine, bro. You understand?
Okay, I understand. So, Tali, how do you feel about the whole situation of this guy?
I feel good. I think
Is
he's
he
a
the
good
type?
person.
I think the audio is delayed. The audio is delayed in the video. So I have to wait a bit. Let's go.
Not born yet, but I think so. I love the voice.
Mugumuzwa.
Yeah.
He is.
Yes.
Is she the type?
I haven't seen her, but like, I feel like.
Personality-wise?
Yeah, no, we'll see as time goes.
But remember, she palamaza yamatafula at the crew.
Nanda.
Now we'll see as time goes, bro.
Okay, are you guys ready to meet each other?
Okay, yeah.
On a blindfold.
I'm getting kwababa, but it's fine, yeah.
Yeah, relax your body.
You can't be a guava tester and also have guava, my guy. Me, personally, I have guava online. Me, I am a guava load. Ask Infinite Eye, he will tell you. Me, I have guava boy. I'm telling you.
Your body. It's a lap. Your body.
Blindfold, boy. Okay. Yo, you have yo, shit, these hands, bro. Wait, how old are you? Oh, those ones, it's gotta be baby hands. These ones.
Okay, guys. When so far I'm feeling right, I'm sure. Now I'm feeling right. Can you guys give me a baby kiss? A baby kiss. Baby kiss, dog.
That's wild.
Like like baby kiss, Italy. Okay, a chin kiss.
Nah, dog. I haven't seen it. Let me
Okay.
see. First.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Mara, this one I feel it's a W. What's above?
It's a
Should I help you?
Ekale mama.
Okay, so bala 5, ne? Let me put this here. Okay.
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2, 1.
no,
Yeah, you can.
My hair's in
Yeah, it's fine. Can you?
Her hair looks like she's been struck by lightning.
So how do you feel?
you. Hello. Dudu Matologa Nyoko, you are very beautiful.
Thank you.
Yo,
Madolo Kanyoko is Madolo Kanyoko is crazy, bruh. In Xhosa, that means your mother's knees. Madolo Kanyoko is crazy. I won't lie, boy. I won't lie. But I believe Riz though.
yo, now I believe you're a star. Please come closer.
Oh my man.
Yo, your smile is literally the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Thank you.
Yes, perfect. So yeah,
Is she the one?
bro, she's fire. She's fire.
What's interesting
bro,
about
I wasn't expecting you to bring a star boy live.
Okay. Dali wena.
I think he's my type.
It's him Sam.
You lying? For us?
Yeah, mara ke batla ho bona like
Okay, everything keys.
I don't want to be.
Really the type. Everything keys. Look
Ke batla ho bona like
Steady keys. Yo!
Give us a random kiss nyana again. Why?
Anton.
Man, clean job from Hans from Soweto.
Yes, she doesn't even look like she's from Soweto.
Obviously, she's half colored, half Venda, half Shangan, half Zonke. So,
That's good.
yafanela namar.
I think he's the one.
Singini bisikhathi ke nitsuxoxisana. Ninazanini ukuthi niyaqhumana noma niqhumana, you know?
I like for the fact that we low key matching. Low key black. Anton, can I get a hug?
Yes.
Oh, God, I'm so nervous. Oh fuck.
Nah, boy. I also wish I had that shit, boy. Oh boy. But one day is one day. I'ma get it, dude. One day is one day. I'ma get it. But for now, I wanna focus on school and shit. You know? Yeah, man. School first, you know, school first.
This girl is
Can I
fire,
get a
bro.
kiss?
Hayi bo.
Justina, mina.
Because that's wena.
What the fuck? I'm speechless, guys. Bro, but I won't lie, you really pretty. I like what I see. Like, okay, please rate me out of 10.
9.
Reals? I'll give you a 9. You know why?
Yes, it is. Can you rate me out of 10? I rate you a 9. Where's the one? The one is because I'm the one for you. I think that's how it goes, right? I'm not sure.
Why?
Because I'm the
Now,
one
lady's
for you.
missing. You that one. Finally, guys, okay. Guys, I feel like I found the one. Understand? Nah. Guys, I'm out of words, bro. Like, I don't even know what to say, bro. Okay, my man, I want to ask you something. I don't know.
No, cozy.
Move,
What the?
This nigga cozy, bro. This nigga is inserting himself. Nigga, chill. Move. Nigga is trying to be the third. Nigga, move.
Mamela. I wanna ask you something. I don't know if you're gonna agree, but can I get a kiss on the cheek?
Yeah.
Why in the cheek?
If that's
Why in the cheek?
Taboos on the
Like
leaves.
kiss me when or you kiss
On the
me.
leaves.
Oh, you want
the
one
lips.
on the lips?
Yeah, taboos.
Here.
Just once.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Oh! I'm shy.
Guys, those
Kwababa Reese, I'm telling you, boy. Kwababa Reese is on the highest level, boy. Mr. Kwababa Tester doesn't have Kwababa, boy. He uses Kwababa is Reese. I'm telling you, boy.
Lips, bro. I'd
okay,
actually,
guys,
Mamela,
and I wanna know one thing,
I'd
eh.
actually kiss you longer. You
I wanna
understand?
know one thing, guys.
Actually, Mamela, I don't know if you mind. Can I kiss you? Yeah. Can you kiss?
Sure.
Sure.
We have kids, yeah. Huh. Nigga, we have kids, yeah. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, but we have kids, yeah. Peach parenting is crazy, bruh. We have kids, yeah. Find a room, nigga. Find a room. There's kids here watching. Clady. Kids are watching. Kids are watching, yeah, Clady. You know? PG rated is crazy. This needs to be PG-rated, I'm telling you, boy. Find a room, boy. Because now it's going to be like I'm the one that I'm. Okay?
Shit. Naledi.
How was the kiss? How was the kiss?
The lip side is soft. Emunat. We kiss
How was the
Emunat.
kiss?
Oh, I have it, guys, Mamela. I just found Mrs. Guawawa. You understand? Yeah, nah, guys, please subscribe. Bro, shout out to you, boy. Like, you made my day. And it's so full of Shamina is day, I know.
No, Mamela, tell me. Hi.
Hello, Abut.
How are you? Some pleasure. One pleasure.
Nake plashelo yena ke shimane.
Okay,
Get rid of this guy. Get a lot of Cozy, bruh. Cozy thinks she's blushing for him. That is what we call a what? A quack. Quack. You know what I'm saying?
Wasala, kimnat na.
Waqina so wetsalang.
Ah, cozy fuck you.
So what about for you too? Subscribe, comment, like. Oh, okay. When's the first date?
You see what Cody is saying? Share, subscribe, comment, like. Do those 4 steps. Please. I'm not saying do them. I'm begging. Please do those steps. They might help me for real. I'm really behind because Infinite Aya he's in 140 something and I'm still in 37. So I need to catch up, you know what I'm saying? But W Infinite Aya for 142 or 143, I'm not sure. W Infinite Aya. Make sure to subscribe and also subscribe to me, of course. And let's reach to 100. I think by December, I wish we would be at 100 subscribers or more. Who knows? Only God knows. I'm telling you.
Okay, now we'll talk about it. I'll make a vlog. We'll vlog it.
Okay, guys. So soon, couple goals. Content wire from Clady and Naledi. So yeah, guys. So sinjalo vel. How
Suga.
Can I join the hug?
Suga.
Can I join the hug?
Why is so cute? Bye bye.
I can
You wanna hug him?
friendship hug.
Can you? Bye.
Group hug. Boy.
Bye.
Okay, go on share dalen. Oh no, but that.
Hey, that's crazy. It's good, guys. Guys. What?
Have you seen him somewhere?
Have you seen me? Have you ever?
How come like you subscribe easily? Have you seen
Have you seen my face
Yeah.
before?
Go to Baka Cozy actually.
Oh, you know me through him.
Yeah.
Oh, you've seen me before. Okay. Yeah. That's a dowdy, guys. Have motion. So yeah, guys. I'm so nervous, bro. Subscribe. I found the one, bro. You understand?
Comment.
So
comment.
So comment. Shout out to this guy. Make sure you follow Cozy Killer Instagram,
YouTube,
TikTok. Yeah.
TikTok.
Yeah,
Facebook.
Guys. Mamela, keep a favor.
Girlfriend,
Keep a
please,
favor, ne?
hello, brother. Hello.
I want us. Okay. I want you to jump on me, and then I'm gonna catch you, ne, on camera. Is that cool? Ne?
Brother.
I think I know.
No, we'll just do it there.
Brother.
find a room, boy. You must just find a room. I don't know what's going on right now. Get a lot of this guy, boy. You must just find a room.
Brother.
Nah,
Hi.
let's do it. Let's do
Hey,
Brother.
brother.
Sorry.
Imana, hey, boy,
Can I please
hey, boy,
pause? Can I
study,
please pause?
study.
Can I please pause?
When is mine?
Guys, shout out. Nah.
Guys.
Sorry.
Nah, boy. Just find a room, my guy. Wait. Just find a room. Because right now, niggas are going crazy, boy. We have kids watching here. We have kids watching here. Okay? We have kids watching here. You must just get a room. Just get a room. And I know this thing is a leaky leak. Yeah, I know. But still, my nigga, get a room. Because now it's getting crazy. It's going very crazy right now. But anyways, W couple goals. W couple goals, I won't lie.
Switch the camera. Just make sure YouTube vibe. Give it YouTube vibe. Give it YouTube vibe. Yeah.
Now to check the timestamp. Then I pause. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry for that. I didn't post for a lot of days. But see, now I got the better quality because my videos, I think they used to be blurry. But I got better quality, you know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, you know. And please follow me on all your social platforms except for Twitter and Facebook. I only have YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. They'll be written in the link down below. Then they'll also be available in the video. So thank you for watching. And yeah, it was a pleasure because I missed you all and you all missed me. Cheers.